We're in Camiguin. MPA, what? Guys, if you don't believe what we went through.
Salamat, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Yes, we had to pay after all. But it's okay. Actually, I'm glad I did this.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we are now here at the Sunken Cemetery. We did a little bit of research into what this landmark is about, and in 1870, the volcano that's right above us, Mount Vulcan, it actually erupted, and the lava actually buried this entire cemetery.
And also the town.
Oh, and the town as well,
the
yeah.
town. Yeah, and then they actually placed this landmark, which is a concrete cross, just to kind of let people know where the Sunken Cemetery is, and they built it in the 1980s.
We were flying our drone, and one of the Kuyas here actually told us that there's an actual cross that's even far behind it that sank as well. So that cross used to be part of the graveyard, but got knocked down because of the lava, which was pretty cool. We're not going to the actual cross because I'm not about to catch a ghost.
Yeah, they actually asked us if we wanted to snorkel around the cross.
Nah, we're not about that life. We snorkeled in Coron. Yeah, we're not about that life. All right, peace. Next destination.
A few moments later.
I'm scared of the tadpoles. If I don't know how to swim, I mean, if I start drowning, Casey has to save me.
They're cute.
Nope.
They're little and small. I don't know if you can see them.
A few moments later.
Ready?
No. Because Casey's not coming with me, and that's why I'm not ready.
I'm gonna freeze in there. It's called a cold spring for a reason.
You can't do cold, and you can't do hot.
I can do hot.
No. You didn't go into the hot
I
spring?
did. My
The
feet
whole-
went in.
The whole thing?
My body.
No.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. It's cold. If you think it's cold, then what about me? Hey, do you see the fish?
No, I'm trying not to.
Bye.
Start drowning. You have to jump in and save me.
Yes.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Okay, right?
Game.
Game. So cold. I'm not ready yet. Let me acclimate.
You're ready!
I'm not ready yet. Okay, I'm ready. But if I go, you have to go too.
No.
Why not?
No.
Come on. Okay. 3, 2. 3, 2. Oh, it's cold. It's nice though.
That's what people said. Even though it's cold, it's refreshing.
It's really clear too. So apparently, one of our stops, I think we have 2 stops left, is gonna be another spring, but the water is drinkable. It's called a soda water spring. And I told Casey that since I tried the cold here, she's gonna try the drink there.
No.
I'm not gonna drink that water. It's like taking a shower in the morning in the Philippines. Super cold. Guys, it's really cold.
I wonder what the temperature is.
Okay, try.
No.
Try temperature.
I'll put my feet in.
I can't wait for the food. So we ordered
Adobo.
pork adobo and pork sinigang with 3, not definitely rice. Like a whole plate of rice. I'm shivering. I think Casey's gonna talk about like the entrance fee and everything, so you gotta stay tuned.
So there's a shallow area here. They said it was 5 feet. Right now where we are it's around 7 feet. And then just around the, what's it called? The ledge, the wall area, there's a ledge where you can kind of step. So that's why John is okay right now, because although he doesn't know how to swim, he can stand on the ledge by the side of the wall. He's struggling right now to swim. You okay? So the entrance fee to this place is 75 pesos per person. And then also we got a place to put our stuff and also eat later. That is 150 pesos. So we're just chilling. I might just put my feet in for a little bit. Probably won't swim. I don't know. We'll see. I'm kind of nervous. It's making me anxious. It's actually really nice here. There's a lot of trees kind of surrounding the cold springs. A lot of palm trees. Actually different kinds of trees. I don't even know what kind of trees they are here. But it's actually starting to get a little bit warmer. It's still overcast, there's a lot of clouds, but it's around, what time is it? Almost 12 o'clock, so this place is actually starting to get a little bit busy. I'm excited for food. Okay, I'm just tippy-toeing. Here. I'm like almost waist deep. The tadpoles. Okay, I'm just walking to Baby Shark. I'm here. Can you come in now?
Until you can put your whole head in.
No! I didn't agree to that. Okay, it's not bad now.
See, it's not bad. Put your whole head in.
No. I swear the ocean's not this cold. Okay, I'm gonna get out now. Our food's here.
A few moments later. few moments later.
Go up.
Spit it out. You're drinking so much.
Tastes like soda water, except not fizzy.
Oh,
There's a little bit of sweetness to it, but it's more like tangy. Yeah, no, tangy as in like, you know, soda water that has like a bit of tang. No, at least I tried it though. Okay, Case, your turn.
let me wash my hands first.
Drink it.
Oh yeah, it does have that. I know what you mean with that tangy taste.
It's not like a tang, or like a tonic water. It has like the aftertaste of tonic water.
I'm not a big fan of tonic water.
Me neither. But at least we tried it.
A few moments later.